Dog Training in Cincinnati, Ohio. And here we have our newest 21-day board and train. His name is Metiche, which his papa told me means nosy. But we're gonna call him Meti for short. He is a 5-month-old Rhodesian Ridgeback. And they brought him to us because, as you can see, he's very much a puppy, pulling on the leash, and he really just needs that basic obedience foundation put in there. So we're gonna go ahead and see what he can and can't do for me, and then we'll go from there. Meti, can you come? Come? No, that's okay. Let me get a little closer here. Meti, can you sit? 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 No, that's all right. Let's see if we can go on a little walk here. You want to go for walkies? Yeah, he's really not interested in me very much, but that's okay. Let's see if we'll do it down. I know. Oh, good sit, good boy. Can you down? What if I have two? Down? No, that's all right. Good boy. All right, so as you can see, we have our work cut out for us here, but guys, stick around to see his amazing transformation. And as always, thank you for choosing Bulletproof. Bye.
Carlos de la Vega, my little dog, Metiche de la Vega, meaning nosy, can you tell? And I'd like to thank Becca, for training my dog. It has been a pleasant experience. Hopefully, I'll continue to learn more as I try to teach my dog, or my dog teaches me, whichever comes first. But I think they did a good job, and I would recommend it if possible.